We'll guide you through how to download and install Minecraft on your laptop and your computer. To do this, just go to your Microsoft Store app. Now search here Minecraft Launcher. Search it, click on Minecraft Launcher, click on Install, click on Install again, wait for download. After downloading, just click on Play. Now it will update the Minecraft app. Wait for it. After updating, just click on Play. Now you will see this. Just click on Sign in with Microsoft. Now click on Let's Go. So if you want Minecraft for free, so just click on Play Demo. If you wanted to buy, just click on Buy. I want for free, so I click on Play Demo. It will install the app. It is preparing. Wait for it. It will take some time. After downloading, you can see this pop-up. Just click on here. Now you can play the Minecraft play demo world. Okay, this is how you can install Minecraft and you can play.